Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel Technical Sahil. From today, I am going to start a new playlist with this video, and by completely following this, you will be able to start and set up your own fully automated web hosting business right from scratch, which is a completely online service based business. And if you follow this playlist that I have taken a lot of time to research, organize and present it in front of you, you can set up everything independently step by step by just simply following my steps. I will try to explain things in detail and as practically as possible. I hope by the end of this playlist, you will understand how things work in the backend with ease. Guys, this is not the first tutorial on setting up a web hosting business. There are many videos that already existed on YouTube and maybe other platforms like Udemy as well. They have built up a full course. But sorry to say, but with all due respect, I have noticed some common shortcomings in all those courses, all those video tutorials, which I will try to address through this course. All those free or paid courses suggest or indicate that you get a reseller hosting where they are providing a WHM panel with a non-root privileges, and you can create and sell cPanels according to your pricing and terms bounded by their limitations applied to your reseller account. Friends, this is the easiest way to start a web hosting business, especially if you're not that much familiar with its technicalities, because not only do you get a reseller hosting from your reseller provider, but also you get an assurance of technical support. However, where things are easy, it can also limit the growth of any business. So if you start a business with reseller hosting, you don't have to do much on the technical side. All the server side problems are resolved by your reseller provider. Do you wanted to know why? Yeah, because you does not have the control to solve those problems by yourself. If you're a tech knowledgeable person, you will understand that what I'm saying. Entering the web hosting business field with non-root privileges means your business heavily depends on your reseller provider, how good it is. If it's providing good support, that's good for your business, but if it's not responding, you have to show the same behavior to your clients that you are not responding to them, because you are dependent on your reseller provider. You can't solve that problem by yourself. And you know whose hosting business thrives in that case? That person who is selling all types of hosting like shared, reseller, whatever the categories we will discuss later. In short, it means the aggregator provider. So the objective of this tutorial series is to transform you into an aggregator hosting provider, not reseller. Means you would be able to directly sell all types of hosting like shared, cloud, reseller, WordPress, master reseller, alpha reseller, etc. The topic which is so crucial in the web hosting business world that has not been addressed so far. So I will try to uncover that thing and everything in my next 20 to 25 videos. Whether you are starting from scratch or you're already doing this business with someone's reseller plan, this playlist will definitely benefit you in growing your hosting business in both the scenarios. I have been doing this business from last 3 years, so I'll try to share all my experiences with you as well. And don't worry, I won't try to sell you any plan from HostTrigger from my own website. This is just an example that I have taken. This is what I am doing, and my goal is to teach you to do everything independently what I am doing. To do so, we'll have to gather some resources from different websites, different platforms, which I will discuss in the next video of this playlist. And by discuss, I mean I will practically demonstrate by taking every service and setting up in front of you. But for now, that's all for this video, as it was just an overview and introduction. So we will look into the requirements, what else we need to make a platform like this in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and stay safe. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video.